Hey everyone, I get to test out my Nature's Generator power transfer kit today with my Kia EV6. Power just went out, it's been really windy today. I got my Kia vehicle to load adapter hooked up and the cord plugged into the car. I'll turn it on here. And on the power transfer kit, I'll switch over the circuits from grid to generator power. And you can see it's pulling 0.7 kilowatts right now. That's the furnace, refrigerator, internet, and a few other things. We have ham cooking for a Christmas party later today though, so just to show you there is still no power. And only using the power transfer kit, it's now pulling 1.7 kilowatts. The EV6 does max out at 1.9 kilowatts. But we also have mac and cheese to cook too, so turning off a few of the other things but keeping the air fryer oven on and the crock pot going, I'm at 1.8 kilowatts right now. So I'm very pleased with the Nature's Generator power transfer kit. It's definitely the way to go in my opinion when it comes to powering your house with your EV if the power does go out. Check out the Nature's Generator playlist I have for more information and let me know if you guys have any questions. But thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon.